guys, welcome back to my channel, and I'm Nora Crystal, and today I'm going to be trading my neon shadow dragon for her neon giraffe and egg. But first, she needs to give her egg to me, and I'll make sure that she give all her egg to me, and I'm going to be, I think if she think that I'm gonna scam her or something, so I decide to her neon giraffe and my shadow in the last trade. Okay, we are already talk a long time. Okay. I hope she's not gonna scam. Also, I'm not gonna scam. I promise myself. I promise myself. Me too. Why not? I'm scared too. Okay. So, trait. I'm gonna take her pet first, and then after she give all her pet, I mean all the egg that she's gonna give for my neon shadow, and then the last she give her neon giraffe and my neon shadow. So I'm gonna give my egg after. No thank you, I can. I know. I have to make them to friend me. I'll try my best. Come on, please. Please. Please, I really record. It's already 5 minutes. No. Will you do it? Oh. Come on, I have to cut my video. Maybe she talked too much long minutes. I don't know when she talk in. She the guy who have to add. That's why I want her add first. If I am the guy who add, I will be due too. Okay, I just okay, I just don't do it. Well, I don't do it is more better, cause if I do, she just want me. I mean, she just want herself to add first. I mean, she want to add after, and how are you guys thinking that she the one who add, and why should I give her my Shadow Dragon with her Neon Giraffe first? What? She gonna leave? Unfriend? And her friend just trust her? They are not my friend also. That I'm not trusted. I'm just gonna tell her about this. Okay guys, so we're not sure to doing the trade or not, right? She probably scared so much, afraid so much. And I don't know. Maybe I'm too much confident or what. I'm not gonna scam her something, but she think. If you are guys are watching my full of the video, would knowing that I'm not scamming people. I'm a a gamer. I'm a YouTuber. Why should I scam the pets? In all the trade, in the Pet Dragon, I also trading my Mega Dragon, and they really do, and I didn't even scam. My video I never scam for someone, anyone. Anyways, guys, I think that's all our video today. And the best thing, she really afraid of games so much. I know that there's really so much scammer, but she will regret it later because I'm not a scammer. I already have my enough pet. Look, I already have my enough pet. Why should I scam her? That's real spacious. And Neon Shadow is not my dream. I already get my Neon Fourth Dragon is my dream. I get already. Okay, guys. So please comment down below if I should do this trade or not. Bye.